with a shaking hand. Dust on dreams I couldn't stand. Every promise fell apart like tiny pieces in the dark. I tried to build on broken ground. Every time it all fell down. But I'm still here, still learning how to hold something steady now. And they don't see it, they don't know what it takes to not let go. So we build it brick by brick, even if it doesn't stick, even if the whole thing breaks again. We'll try again, one step, one breath, one day at a time. Your hand in mine will be alright, 'cause we both know what we could lose if we choose anything but truth. There were nights I disappeared, chasing ghosts I used to fear. Now I'm learning how to stay, even when I want to run away. And the world won't wait for us, doesn't care if it's too much. But we don't need their understanding, just a reason to keep standing. 'Cause we've seen where that road goes, and we're not going back alone. So we build it brick by brick, even if it doesn't stick, even if the whole thing breaks again. We'll try again, one step, one breath, one day at a time. Your hand in mine will be alright, 'cause we both know what we could lose if we choose anything but truth. Watch it all fall down. So I'll choose you, I'll choose this, even when it hurts right now. We'll build it brick by brick, even if we're scared of it, even if the past comes back again. We won't give in. One step, one breath, one day at a time. We're still alive, we're still alive. And nothing's worth the life we lose if we choose